Hi, welcome to reviews-microwave.com. Today we're taking a look at the KitchenAid KCMC1575BSS microwave. All the information is summarized here for you in the 5 color-coded boxes. Everything's rated from best to poor, green to red. This will be a fast or quick video review. If you'd like to see the full written review, please click on the link below the video. Now this is a countertop 1.5 cubic foot capacity microwave. It should be noted this is a convection type microwave that can bake, grill, and operate as a convectional type system there for browning and crisping, etc. It is at a price of $379 per cubic foot. It does have 1200 watts, sensor cooking, and a few features to note down here below. It has stage cooking, even cooking technology, keep warm, and a non-stick type interior. It does have a typical limited 1-year warranty, and one thing to note on that is that will vary from manufacturer to manufacturer from 1 to 10 years, especially on the Magnetron and specifically we're talking about, and that is something to look for as you're shopping around. Now we do have over 800 other reviews on the website. If you click on our home page button above, that'll take you there. There's the most popular models will be summarized there for you, plus you can search by brand, by type, and even by price. If you have any questions or comments about this model, I'm sure people would appreciate you leaving those for them and it help them out. Thank you for taking a look at this review.